Hey everybody, Ms. Dietrich here. We're going to take a look at question number 4 from the 2015 assignment number 5 packet. Number 4 reads, the right rectangular prism shown below is made of equal size cubes. The side length of each cube is 2.5 inches. What is the volume in cubic inches of the right rectangular prism? All right, we have a couple of options for how we might approach this. So here's what we know. We know that this line right here is 2.5 inches, or we could even rethink that as 2 5/10 if we were going to use a calculator. Now if we think about how long this line is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So we basically have to multiply 5 times 2.5 to get how many inches this is going across that way. Now you might be able to do that in your head, but I'm just going to do that on the calculator. 2 5/10 equals. All right, so here's what we know. We know the length of that is 12 5/10. Now going back this way, this goes back 2. So we have to multiply 2 times 2 5/10 to get the length going this way, that blue line. Now once again, you should be able to do that in your head, but just in case you can't, 2 times 2 5/10 equals. So we know that that's got to be 5. Put that over here. Actually, I'll put it right here. All right, now let's figure out how tall this thing is. I'll use a different color to represent the height. So going this way, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 for the height. Now, once again, we have to multiply 4 times 2 5/10 to get how many inches tall that is. Clear? 4 times 2 5/10 equals. So that means that the height on that is 10. Now we're interested in the volume in cubic inches. Volume equals length times width times height. Volume equals, the length on that is 12 5/10 inches. The width is 5 inches. And the height is 10 inches. So to get the volume, the only thing left we have to do is to just define the product of all of these numbers. So let's clear it. 12 5/10 times 5 times 10. By the way, you shouldn't even need a calculator to find this product in my opinion. And we hit the equal button, and you can see that we get an answer of 625 as our final answer, which matches up with choice D.